$2.99. I pick these jinx up. Thinking about making this to a gun box. I don't know. Bolt to the floor or something. Maybe. That's a good idea. They got the safe right here. That's the safe. You just gotta be creative, put stuff together. The $2.99 for the gun box, that's a steal. It's a good knife. Yeah, we in Harbor Freight. It's survival knife right here. This is pretty straight. Got the machete for $5.99. Harbor Freight be out some deals. Oh, they got the little portable security safe. I might have to $20. And it can attach to your car. Yeah, attach to your car. Oh yeah. I might pick it up. They got the other box right here. Might do this another later. No, I seen some more boxes at another place that I might go back and grab. Yeah. Me and Harbor Freight shopping. They got some other safes right here too.
36.
This is straight. Yeah, you know we strapped. Anyway, back to what we was doing. Yeah, we just rolled with the box. One little empty box today.
One more time. You gotta get that scrap moved out.